Hello.
Hello.
Did you get anything?
A little bit.
Glass?
Yeah, I got this cool candle holder.
Oh, I saw those. Alright, maybe I'll put some more mirrors on those things. But you realize that this is the only place that you get a good view from. Everywhere else, you'll see something else. Hi!
Hi.
You're back.
I am.
There's your back right there.
Huh?
Look, see, they're in the feeder. Look, I mean, in the cups. I filled the cups with food.
Yeah. Well, look at how much traffic there is. Yeah, and everybody's seen it. Look at every little tunnel in there. Bad deal. Did you make that, or did they make it?
No, they made it.
Amazing.
Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Okay, you're going to read Harry Potter now?
As soon as I do my Sudoku.
What? I have to wait for Sudoku?
Oh, yeah.
But
This is the last one in this little booklet, so.
Oh, good. Then you're going to read the whole book, right?
Let's see.
I put a mirror on the wall. See over there? I put a mirror and it shines right over there at the... Do you see which one I'm pointing to?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, what do you see out of it when you look at that mirror?
I see a curtain, and I see two brackets, and I see the back of a cupboard hanging up.
I see the rain chain, and when I turn on the Christmas lights, I'll see lots of Christmas lights.
Okay. Good for you, my darling.
And did you know I stoked up the fire and it was at 900?
Oh, very good. And now you turn it down.
I did. I turned it down. Do you remember that year when we first moved here and we turned our couch around backwards so we could look out the window and watch the birds?
Really? Did you do that?
Yeah, do you remember that? Well,
No.
I turned it around backwards, but you sat on it with me.
I don't remember it, no. Birds are nice to watch, isn't it?
Tis. It's hiding.
Okay.
Bye-bye.